When it comes to mapping services in Mahipalpur, there is one name that stands out: Scon Design Delhi. With their expertise in the field and their commitment to delivering high-quality services, Scon Design Delhi has become a trusted provider of mapping services in Mahipalpur. Mapping services are essential for a wide range of industries and purposes. Whether it's for urban planning, infrastructure development, or even navigation systems, accurate and detailed maps are crucial. Scon Design Delhi understands this importance and strives to provide mapping services that meet the specific needs of their clients in Mahipalpur. One of the key reasons why Scon Design Delhi is the go-to choice for mapping services in Mahipalpur is their team of skilled professionals. They have a dedicated team of experts who are well-versed in the latest mapping technologies and techniques. This allows them to create maps that are not only accurate but also visually appealing and easy to understand. Moreover, Scon Design Delhi offers a wide range of mapping services to cater to the diverse needs of their clients in Mahipalpur. From 2D maps to 3D models, they have the capability to create various types of maps that can be used for different purposes. Their team works closely with their clients to understand their requirements and deliver maps that meet their specific needs. In addition to their expertise and range of services, Scon Design Delhi also stands out for their commitment to delivering timely and cost-effective solutions. They understand the importance of delivering maps within tight timelines and budget constraints. Therefore, they work efficiently to ensure that their clients receive their maps on time and within the agreed-upon budget. Furthermore, Scon Design Delhi uses advanced mapping software and tools to ensure the accuracy and precision of their maps. Scon Design Delhi is a well-known name in Mahipalpur when it comes to mapping services. Scon Design Delhi has established itself as a dependable supplier of mapping services in Mahipalpur, thanks to their knowledge of the industry and dedication to providing top-notch services. Services for mapping are necessary for many different types of businesses and projects. Accurate and thorough maps are essential for a variety of purposes, including urban planning, infrastructure construction, and even navigation systems. This significance is recognized by Scon Design Delhi, which works to offer mapping services tailored to the unique requirements of its Mahipalpur clientele. The fact that Scon Design Delhi's team of qualified specialists is the top pick for mapping services in Mahipalpur is one of the main reasons for this. They have a committed group of specialists who are knowledgeable about the most recent mapping methods and technology. This enables them to produce maps that are not only precise, but also pleasing to the eye and simple to comprehend. In addition, Scon Design Delhi provides a comprehensive range of mapping services to meet the various demands of its Mahipalpur clientele. They have the ability to produce a variety of maps that may be utilized for a variety of reasons, from 2D maps to 3D models. Their staff works closely with clients to comprehend their demands and provide maps that are tailored to them. Scon Design Delhi stands out for their dedication to providing quick and affordable solutions in addition to their knowledge and variety